application experimentations.
This is a workshop to try to partner with historically black colleges and universities in an emerging technology area, quantum information science and engineering. Faculty and students at historically black colleges and universities, some of the most important ideas will come out of their minds. They often do not have the resources that a larger institution like Virginia Tech does, and so what we're here to do is to partner and utilize their very talented faculty and very talented students to work with us on joint projects to be able to move this field forward for the future.
Earlier we talked about or had a demo of our cybersecurity test bed down on the 3rd floor, and now what we've done is transitioned up to the 5th floor where we have our quantum key distribution test bed. One thing that we're hoping to do in the near future is replicate this infrastructure at historically black colleges and universities so we can actually have teams of doing research collaboration in this very important area in quantum cryptography.
It's a great career, it's fun, I get up every day, love what I do, and all young people out there that would be interested in pursuing a STEM career, I can more or less guarantee it's going to be the same way for you as well.